Hey guys, it's Sarah, aka Sarah D Plans. Welcome to my channel. Today I have for you guys an unboxing of the January Simply Gilded box. Mine was one of the 100 boxes that was lost. So unfortunately I don't have the actual box, but all of the contents are in this bag. And she included a extra washi for us that our boxes were lost. So I'm going to go ahead and get this opened up and then show you guys and myself what's inside. Alright, so that, oh, and here's the extra. Okay, so the extra washi that was included is, let's see if I can focus it. There we go. This is the Cotton Candy Skinny Bow washi, which I'm not sure if I have this one. So I actually already have this exact same washi, so I will be gifting this to a planner friend. Now, here is what was included in the January box. So first we have December. Okay, I guess this is the December box, but we get it in January. I don't really know, but whatever. The theme of this box was Travel Love. So this just tells you everything that is included in the box. So first, let's get to the washies. So there are 4 washi tapes. So we have this watercolor map washi. Then we have Travel Words washi, Daisy Floral washi, and Purple and Silver Bow washi. I love all of these. Alright, so then the next thing is this little Traveler's Notebook insert journal. So this is just a dot grid little notebook. Then we have the pink bow keychain. Super cute. Then these are sticky notes. Globe sticky notes. These are really cute. And then this is the journaling card. Off the charts. I really love this. And then the last thing are the foiled stickers for this month. So this is everything that was included in this, I guess, December box. I'm still confused about how this works, but thanks for watching. Please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!